Welcome back to the
Very
Sardine
pretty
vlog.
place, this umtentweni. Yeah, welcome back. Sardine News, late edition. Quite a long report. Buckle up and let's check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.
Good morning from Splash Dock in Port Edward. Pretty much the same thing as yesterday at Margate with Sean. The shadow biting actually in the dark. When the sun comes up or when it gets bright, the shade goes off the bite. It's amazing. The sea looks absolutely fantastic. Have a great day everybody and tight lines. This is Lucky Dip just north of Splash Rock. Sea looks beautiful. Exceptional conditions. I've been watching the guys now for about 20 minutes. Not a single shade came out. It seems like the shade want to feed in the dark, pitch dark. There's light and no shade. Like I said, same at Margate Pier yesterday. We saw it for our own eyes.
A little bit of AR fun. Alan sent me this still in this morning as a report. And so I asked my AR software to make it into a video. Check it out there. Cooking morning. Waves are a bit big though. And it's beautiful. It's warm. It's blowing offshore. There's a shoulder of fish just out of reach on the back line. Otherwise, there's a couple of oaks fishing at the block and there's a couple of oaks fishing at number 4. But what a beautiful, beautiful morning. Maybe today's the day the shad are going to go mad. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.
Yeah, nothing's happening here. It's Wednesday, what's it, Thursday already? And these sandbags are just washing away. The sea's going right over the top and nothing's happening. But the scaffolding up there under the bridge. What a sorry sight. It's New South Africa.
Hi peeps and welcome to another bear report. This time we're at Tinley Manor, north coast of KZN, South Africa, close to Mslali. What a beautiful late winter's day. Yo. Got a light east coming up this afternoon. Current is slightly south-north. Water is a little bit on the chilly side, 19 to 20 degrees. So I'm Garrick around, so one shot of snook. But yeah, peachy viz, 7 to 8 meters, a little bit cleaner in the shallows, eh? That's an away from the bay. Tomorrow's going to be lekker as well. And as always, dive safe and stress plus.
Alright, thank you very much for watching the long report. Yeah, we are in Port Shepstone again and here's the cold front just gently moving in. It's still blowing east, but yeah, there comes the night shift back home on what they caught. And let's see what tomorrow brings. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join this channel. Help us out. Okay, ciao, ciao.